When it comes to graphing an equation, it's important to understand each of the different information that is given. So first off, we're talking about graphing a sine equation, and that means that it's going to start at my midline. Then I have my amplitude at 5, my period is 2 pi, and my midline is at y equals -1. The first thing to do is always start by plotting your midline. So I'm going to go ahead, start at -1, and just make a dotted note at my midline. From there, I'm going to use my amplitude to mark where the max and the min are for my function. So from my midline, I'm going to go up 5, and I'm also going to go down 5. There it will mark my max and min. Then I'm going to mark my period. Now remember, the period tells you where your function ends. So I'm going to go ahead and mark here at 2 pi. Now remember, sine starts at the midline. So I'm going to go ahead and plot my graph. So it starts at the midline. It's also going to end at the midline. And in the middle, it will also touch my midline again. Sine goes up to the maximum, then to your midline, down to your minimum, and then back up to your middle. So here's the function of sine.